Okay guys, so I have another keyboard from We. It's the same producer with the Sugar 65 and the Record Alice that I have. This one is cheaper than the Sugar 65, about $1, but it has better coating. The feeling of the coating is way much more better than the Sugar 65. And the more advancing one, the more superior thing is the weight at the back. And this thing also have three modes of connection. Receivers, receiver, which will be hide in this pocket right here, Type C, and Bluetooth.